How do you like your pasta or your noodles? Do you like them sticking as one lump together, or do you like them very loose, each one to itself, each noodle or each pasta to itself? I know the question hereafter would be, does it really make a difference? Because ultimately it has to go into your tummy. But for few, it does make a difference. Otherwise, think, why would restaurants have your food decorated on a platter and presented in front of you? They could have just mixed up everything and just brought and given it to you. Well, presentation of course matters. At the same time, I believe that if you want to have something, have it the right way, else it is not worth the taste. So the pasta is ready to be strained. So for that, what we'll do is we'll put in a part of the pasta, like to a quarter bit, and then here I am going to pour just normal filter water over it. This process is very important because this will help cool down the pasta. Exactly, you heard me right. We need to cool down the pasta so that it does not stick to each other. Now you can either keep stirring it simultaneously, because the heat will move away as and when you stir it along with water. We will add the remaining bit of it and then continue with the same process, pouring a little drips of the water and stirring it. Now the reason why pasta sticks to each other as one whole lump is because of the starch that it contains. So whenever it's hot, the starch tends to stick the pasta together as one big lump. So you need it to be cooled down very nicely, and then you'll find the pasta each one to itself. It is still feeling warm. We will go on stirring it till you see that it is no more having those fumes come out from the pasta. And here now it's good. As you can see, each pasta is to itself. There's nothing sticking together once it's cooled down. So friends, what say? Was that hack useful? I'm sure many of y'all must be aware of this hack and must have made use of it. But for those of y'all who are not aware, this is going to be something good for y'all to use, at the same time to share with others who are not aware of such kind of hack. For those of y'all who are visiting my channel for the first time or have come here before but have not clicked on the subscribe button, it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates each and every time I post a video. That's all on today's hack. Hope y'all have liked it. If y'all have any requests or suggestions, please do feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. I'll see you next time. Bye from How Hacks.